All right, guys. So here I'm at the amazing site, and I'll simply click on this start shopping, and I landed on this store page, and I will come here, and as you see that this icon has been enabled, right? So what I'll just do is like I'll simply click on this. Let's say this button, right, which is that mic icon, and let me press and hold this one till the time you are speaking, right? So likewise what I'm just going to do now, so just observe this one. Give me best kit bags. Here it took my give me I mean what I said as a speech, right? And from here it get inside that recognize this one, and here it gave me this result, which is fantastic, right? And this is the one which we wanted to have here. And likewise and that is what I wanted to show that. And if you want to listen to this text here, so you can just click on this, and this will just replay that one. So if you just play this.
Here are some great kit bags I found for you. You have a variety of options from brands like Yonex and Babolat, with different colors and styles to choose from. If you need more details about any specific bag or want to compare them, just let me know.
So I hope this makes sense, right? So, and this is the gist of that, right? So what we have done here is we have, integrated this speech capability. We have integrated this text capability. We have, synthesizer here, right? And everything. And apart from that, you can, do that simple search. Let's here as well. Let's give me best shoes. You can do the typing as well, and this should give you the result here, although you need to crawl down, right? And here you see that this is the best shoes. I mean, all the way it's working fine. Likewise you can also do search, I mean, in the semantic case here as well. I mean, you can just say that give me best what kit bags, and just click on the search, and you see that this is coming fine. I mean, the first results, which is that, like, I mean, whatever the kit bags it's got it has, right, it listed over there, right? So this is pretty much good, right? And that's what which we wanted to achieve here. Now the next module, we are going to take it to the next level, right? So now let's jump to that itself.